Hey family! Welcome friends and legends! In this fun upload, let's solve this subtraction problem. 23 minus 18. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 3 minus 8. But I can't do it because 3 is smaller than 8. So we must borrow. You go to the 2 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 3 becomes 13 and 2 becomes 1. Now we have 13 minus 8, which equals 5. Write 5 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Write 0 in the tens place. So 23 minus 18 equals 5. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe for updates.